Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Uh, First, let me introduce myself. My name is Hilmi Rahmadianti. I am ex-master student in University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang. So here I would like to discuss the topic about technology in education. So technology has become an inseparable part of almost every aspect of life, including education. In recent years, the integration of technology into learning has grown rapidly, from online classroom and AI power tools to educational apps that enable more flexible and personalized learning. However, just like any advancement, technology in education also comes with challenges that need to be considered carefully. Today, I will present some expert opinion on this topic, as well as my personal experience as a university student. So the first, according to Andrew 2025, Andrew, founder of Kira Learning and a leading AI expert, recently shared his vision for the future of education powered by AI teaching agents. According to him, the administrative burden and demands of teaching make it difficult for teachers to focus fully on guiding their students. So AI, he suggests, can take over some tasks like grading assignment, lesson planning, and tracking student progress automatically and currently. So this way, teacher will not be replaced but empowered. They all have more time and energy to focus on the emotional and personal aspect of teaching. Andrew also believes that AI can help personalize learning for each student, making the process more effective. However, he emphasized that this technology must be developed with strong ethical principle and transparency. On the other hand, Dr. Susan McDougall, a university lecturer and parent from Australia, expressed concern about the teach overload in today's educational system. In her article published in The Guardian, she explained that too many educational platforms often confuse teachers and parents, creating unnecessary complexity. She criticized how schools, especially in developed countries, adopt technology without proper strategies, which only adds more work for educator. So according to her, technology integration should consider the user context and focus on solutions that truly support learning, not just follow trends. She also warned against losing the human aspect of education by relying too much on machine and algorithm. So the last opinion from UNESCO 2025. So the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, or UNESCO, in its 2025 report emphasized that the use of technology in education must be learner centered, not teach centered. The report pointed out that many schools and institutions fail to consider equality and local needs when implementing new technology. So UNESCO reminded us that the digital divide is still a major challenge, especially in developing countries. Therefore, adopting technology should be evidence-based, inclusive, and sustainable. It should support the development of a student potential, not become a barrier due to lack of access of our digital skill. They also urge that digital education policies must be aligned with local realities and included input from a teacher, student, and parent. So as a student, a student in the digital age, I personally feel the impact of technology on my learning process. Platforms like Google Classroom and Zoom and online education from forums allow me to study anytime and from anywhere. AI tools like ChatGPT help me understand a concept more quickly and sometimes even help me discover new ideas. So, however, I also realize that this convenience can be double-edged sword. Being to depend on technology might make us passive, just receiving information without thinking critically. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed by the number of apps we have to use, each with different system and interfaces. That's why I believe technology should be a support tool, not a replacement for real thinking and human interaction in education. So we must keep a balance between using technology and developing soft skills like communication, collaboration, and empathy. So, in summary, technology in education is not something we can reject or avoid because it has already become part of global transformation. But its use must be planned carefully. We need to listen to expert voices, consider real data from the field, and involve all stakeholders in designing inclusive, sustainable, and human-centered solutions. As a student, I believe that the future of education depends on only not only on technology but also on the values we hold, such as the spirit of learning, collaboration, and the desire to grow. That's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention, everyone. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.